Let me show you how to use the NFC reader on your iPhone. Whether you want to make a contactless payment or scan an NFC tag, the process only takes a few seconds, and there are two simple ways to do it. The first option is to use the side button. On most iPhones, you can activate the NFC payment screen by double-clicking the side button. Once you do that, your payment card should appear, along with the message telling you to hold your iPhone near the reader. Keep in mind that you'll need a compatible credit or debit card already added to Apple Wallet for contactless payments to work. If double-clicking the side button doesn't work, you can also use the built-in Shortcuts app to scan an NFC tag. First, swipe down on your iPhone and search for Shortcuts, then open the app. At the bottom, tap Automation, then choose New Automation. From here, scroll down or use the search option and select NFC. You'll see the option that says when I tap an NFC tag. Tap Scan, and your iPhone will say that it's ready to scan. Now simply hold your iPhone near an NFC tag, and it will automatically detect it. And that's how you can use the NFC reader on your iPhone. If you found this helpful, check out another video on my channel for more useful iPhone tips and tricks.